Got the front beam taken off. Now it's really just getting it cleaned up. It's pretty messy on there. Got the tie rods off, so everything's gone from the front. In the rear, replace this bushing, replace the bushings in here. So all that's buttoned up. So as far as suspension on the rear, it's complete with the new bushings. Got to replace these, but so then it's on to the whole drum kits and all the bearings and bushings in there. I have shocks. I just gonna replace those last minute, but it's moving along.